Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. If you're watching this today, you are watching because you know about the Brewed Beauties collab. Hosted by Alex from Makeup Addict 1992. Also in the collab is Char from Char's Fashion Nation. Johna by My Nails and More by Johna. Pauline, Pandora Muse 57 Nails 78. And Erica Sue from Erica Sue's Nail Art 9985. All right, so that is the ladies in our collab. They'll be listed down below. Please go watch their videos. Today we are doing a special makeup look for Pauline for her birthday. And it's not her birthday yet, but happy birthday anyway, Pauline. So she picked, her favorite colors are black, purple, and silver. So I'm going to be using the Gothic Beach I'm going to use Psychedelic Circus Gothic Beach by Jeffree Star. And I'm going to be using the silver. Let me put my glasses on because I always forget the name of this. This is Flex Beauty. And this is Silver Sea. And it's beautiful. So, that's Flex Beauty Cosmetics. I think that's what their website is. I'll list them down below. Okay, and we all know, Jeffree Star Cosmetics. All right, so we are going to start this off. I already got my foundation on. I've primed my eyelids. So, I think we're ready. Purple, black, and silver. Okay. So, we're going to go into Gothic Beach first. And I'm going to go into this lightest color called it's like a lavender, called Oh Boy, or Buoy. Oh Buoy. I have not had enough coffee today. Alright, let's get a fluffy brush. I hope everybody's doing well. How you guys all doing? I am determined that this is going to be a stress-free, fun week. That's where I'm going with it. Alright, so I'm going to go into that Oh Boy. That is pigmented. And I'm going to go on the top, in my crease. I want something to blend into. I hope the lighting's okay, guys. I've been fussing with the ring light. And I don't care if it comes down. I can fix that. I just have to make sure it's high enough because of my hooded eyes. Sorry, I'm in a weird mood, so bear with me. Alright. Okay, there's that. Alright, so I'm going to go in with a different brush. Let me find it. I should always just pull all my brushes out in the beginning because I always do this to you guys. I make you wait. Because we all have our favorite brushes. And then I can't find them. Well, some of them are drying right now because I did a power wash on my brushes. I'm going to go into Piranha Pretty in the Gothic Beach palette. And I'm going to go in my inner corner and up into the crease. It's just like the middle of the road purple. Because of my hooded eyes, it looks weird. There, that's better. I love this mirror. I love mushrooms. I'm only taking that up into the crease about halfway. So I'm going to blend that out. I try to do it on the camera so you guys can see. That's a pretty color. All right, I'm going to blend that a little bit with a nice fluffy brush. All right, looking good. Now we're going to close that palette for a minute. I love Jeffrey's palette. I mean, I just do. I love his makeup. I would love to go to the store. I just can't. Like, how would I get... I hate to fly. I mean, if I had to, I would. But it's just, you know, getting someone to take care of Heidi for that many days. Like, because I would want to go and look around. If I'm going to go to Casper, Wyoming, I want to look around, get a motel, go out to eat, go see the makeup and meat store, you know, check things out. All right, so we're going into Transcendence, which is that deep purple in the psychedelic palette. We're gonna go in the outer corner and up into the crease. Meet right into that other purple. I gotta do the first part in a mirror, guys. Especially on this side. Because this is my act up eye. Alright, fluffy brush again. Now I'm going to go back into Gothic Beach and I'm going to pick up that lighter purple again. The oh boy. And I'm just going to go on, you know, blend on the top of this. Just to blend this out a little bit. I hope you guys can hear me. The jackhammering stopped, so I figured I can hurry up and do a makeup look, right? So I'm going to go into SPF 666 in the Gothic Beach, which is a black, and I'm going to darken up the outside corner. And I'm just tapping that on because, you know, if too much black, you can just ruin a look real quick. And I just want it in the corner. I'm just bringing it slightly up. Okay. So, We're going to do the silver. That's by Flex Beauty Cosmetics, and it's Silver C. And this, you barely need anything. It comes in this little shaker top like that. And I'm going to just go like this. And that's all that's in the lid. And we're going to get a flat brush. You got to be careful with this, guys, because it'll go everywhere. You know, I mean, you can't be breathing on it and stuff of that nature. It's on there. I gotta see. I'm gonna put it in the center, of course. See, all I did was just touch that. Isn't that amazing? I want some of the little purple over there to show, so. Okay, so now I'm gonna touch it again. Now, I like to, I think, like, with this, you just, like, really need to press down into the powder, because it doesn't take much. And I'm only, like, just doing the very end of it, so that way I have a little more control. What do you think? Got a little higher on the... Just gonna tap it where it meets the black. And I think that's good. See, like I said, this will last me my entire life. This container. Look, it's on my finger. Just from touching it. My whole life I'll have that. Alright, let's see. Alright, now I'm gonna go back in, like, grab a little bit of that purple. The light purple. On my fluffy brush. The oh boy. And just make sure that we're not losing the purple. There we go. All right, and she said black, so I'm going to go back into that SPF color. I'm looking for an angled brush, which I just had out, because I'm going to do under my eye with it. I need a thinner one than that. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to go into SPF 666, and I'm going to go on the outer corner and under the eye. Okay, I'm going to clean that off. And I'm going to go back into Psychedelic Circus, the Dark Transcendence Purple. And then I'm taking it from there to there, but I'm pulling it in to the black. And then I want to quick clean my brush with the thing and then do the other side. Because you don't want it to pick up the black and drag it on your other eye. All right, just like that. All right, I'm going to pause this, do my eyelashes, and eyeliner. I haven't figured out which eyeliner. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. I used a lavender NYX eyeliner. I used, because I'm trying to give this a chance. I really don't like it, but I'm using it because I'm waiting for other mascara to come. It's CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume. You can barely see my lashes when I have it on. The wand is just weird. I don't know. It's just very weird. I don't care for it, but I'm using it because I'm waiting on other mascara. And on my lips, I use Wizard's Glass by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So, this is my happy birthday celebration to Pauline in black, purple, and silver. I hope you like this look, Pauline. In honor of your birthday, I want to wish you a happy birthday and many more. I can't wait to see the other girls' looks. So, until next time, make sure you go over and check them all out. They're listed down below. But until next time, we'll see you later. Bye.